press import product, very easy by the plugin. So this is the product importer plugin. Under the product we have installed the plugin, so show the button and check this everything. So here you put the all URL, so I have put it all URL, check it. So here after automatically back only handle everything, check everything. There is the button, import, already 800 product imported, 165 is skipped, and 841 already imported in our store. So if you check all plugin users here, you will got it 845 item. So this is the 850 already imported. Say here 844 imported. Euro, everything has been restriction. Brand tag is nothing. Category automatically detected. You check already 852. So 852, 853 already done. So this plugin make you very easy. So no human copy paste tags. You can import any type product from any typing wallet.